Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about toilet cleaning. We wound up in a house that has 7 bathrooms, so I am all about quick and easy toilet cleaning. So today I'm going to describe the method that I found that works the best for me and is also by far the fastest. With our 7 bathrooms, I can have all the toilets done within 20 minutes. And this is how I do it. So I like to clean the toilet bowl with vinegar. And the reason for that is we live in Arizona where we have very hard water, so you get a lot of hard water buildup. So vinegar is very good at removing that. So first thing I do is I take my spray bottle, I fill it with vinegar, I don't dilute it, it's just straight, and I go around and I spray all of the toilet bowls. You can pour the vinegar into the toilet directly if you want to, but this makes it easier to get it where I want it, and I also use a lot less of it if I'm using the spray bottle. So I like the spray bottle method. So go around, spray all your toilet bowls, don't scrub them yet, just let the vinegar sit there and do its work. Step number 2 is cleaning the outside. So in order to do that, I use disinfectant wipes. And you can use whatever kind you want. I've used all kinds. This is just what was available at Costco the last time that I was there. So for step number 2, I go around the house with my disinfectant wipes and my garbage can. I use 1 wipe per toilet. I wipe down everything except the toilet bowl. And as soon as I'm done, I throw it directly into the garbage can. And I move on to the next toilet. Now, one more recommendation is you should really get yourself some rubber gloves. And they can be made out of whatever you want. These ones are vinyl, but it doesn't matter. Nobody wants to clean toilets, but it's way more bearable if you can just throw on a pair of rubber gloves and throw them away when you're done. It's really, really nice. So if you don't have any of these, get yourself some. You will thank me. So step number 2 was you just cleaned all the outsides, and that gave the vinegar time to soak in the toilets. So now you can go back around with your toilet brush and you can scrub out the toilet bowls. By now, the vinegar should have done its job. It should wipe out pretty easy. So then I go around, I wipe out all the toilet bowls, give them a flush, and then I like to spray 1 more round of this into the toilet and just leave it. It'll just sit there until somebody uses the toilet, but that helps for our hard water buildup. And that's my method. I found that to be the quickest and easiest way to do it. So give that a try. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thank you very much.